First, we need to input the class bank account. We are creating a blueprint template for a bank account object. Init constructor. This runs automatically when you create a new account. Self holder. Name of the account owner public. Self balance. Money in the account private because of. This is called encapsulation to protect it from being changed directly outside the class. The method's action. Deposit adds money, example, balance 500, deposit 300. Balance becomes 700. Withdraw subtracts money, example, balance 700, withdraw 100. Balance becomes 600. Display prints the account information. Shows the name and current balance. Third, the main program where you input. The program asks you for inputs float is used so you can enter decimal amounts like 500. Creates a new account balance object using the name and the balance you entered. Calls the deposit and withdraw methods using the amounts you entered. Print a blank line, then shows the final account holder and balance. Next, we need to input enter account holder. Next, enter balance. Next, enter deposit, which is 300. Next, enter withdrawal, 100. So the output, the account holder, Joanna Forondap, and the balance, 700. First, we need to input the class, which is class inventory item. Creates a blueprint for an inventory item. Init is the constructor. It runs when you create a new item. All three attributes are private because of. This is encapsulation to protect the data. Then it validates. Price must be less than 0. If not, it sets to 1. Quantity must be less than equals 0. If not, it sets to 0. Second, getters. This lets you safely read the private data from outside the class. Third, setters with validation. Updates price only if it's greater than 0. Updates quantity only if it's not negative. Fourth, display method. Prints all the item details and also calculates total equals price and quantity. Main program users input. Asks you for the item details and creates an inventory item object. Lets you update the price and quantity using the setters. Print the final details of the item. This is the output. Enter item name, which is cell phone. Enter item name, cell phone. Next, enter the price, 6,000. Enter the quantity, which is 1. Enter new price to update, which is 6,500. Then, enter new quantity to update, 1. And the final output, inventory item, the name, cell phone, Price 65, quantity 1, total value 65.